Hello my dear YouTube friends, and welcome again to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the light bulb on the headlight on the Range Rover Evoque from 2011 to 2019. As you can see, this light bulb is burned. This one it's on right now. Um, this one still works on high beam, but right now on the low beam it doesn't work, it's burned. So we're gonna be changing this one, and I'll be showing you guys the two ways on how to change this. Make sure you have a light bulb. At the moment I have this one right here, okay, and I'm gonna, before putting this on, I will be recommending that you guys switch these light bulbs for LED light bulbs. Why I say this? Because this is not the first time that I change the light bulbs on my Range Rover. I changed many times and they just keep burning. And the reason is that I had to change the connection more than once, not only on this one but on both sides, and this has been going on since day one. Pretty tired of it, so we're gonna get the LED light bulbs, which they draw less current, and with that less current you will not have any issues with the wirings and the light bulb going out. And here I have a kit, headlight restoration kit that I used yesterday to make my headlights clear again. They were pretty yellow. If you guys want to see that, you can see it on the I'm gonna leave the link at the end of the video. Without any further ado, this is the two ways to remove this. You have two screws here, this one, this one. You can either get this headlight out by removing these two. It could be a little bit tricky, but you can still do it. You have to pull it out onto the side just a bit, and then it will come out this way, and you guys will have enough space to open this right here. Some of you guys might be able to get it out without removing anything, but some of you guys might have a harder time, especially if you have a smaller hand. So this is like this, guys. So you just remove this cover and it comes off. Okay, the headlight, the light bulb will be right there. Now guys, the way I'm gonna show you, the way I usually do this side, I'm gonna do this side. Why? Because this side you have enough space to remove this cover and change the light bulb from here. Now here you're gonna have to remove this airbox. Okay, I already loosened that one up, but it's a number 10. You can loosen this up. You can also loosen this one up, so this way you can remove the whole airbox assembly. You have to remove this one, which is another air duct. It's pretty simple. Just takes 2 seconds. You put this away and then it will come off right here. There's a little tab. These pins, you can get them on Amazon. They're pretty affordable, so if you break them you can always get a new one. Okay, so this, I remove it out of the way. This one, you want to remove this sensor here, get it out of the way, and then this one will be either a flathead screwdriver, or you can use a number 7. I will go ahead and use a number 7 to loosen that one out. All right guys, And then this is the number 10. It's already loose, so all I'm gonna do is just put the screw out of the way like that, and then this just pops. It pops out. Okay, guys. You don't have to open this airbox. I seen some people that open this airbox. You don't have to do that. But then you guys will have to disconnect from here this air duct. Okay, which I would do this before getting this removed. You wanna disconnect this one. There's another number 10 there that well, let's see. Okay, don't need to remove that, don't need to loosen that one up. See, guys, just came off. There's a little hose here you can unplug, and then this just comes off right like that. Okay, guys, now you guys have full access to this light bulb, and I'm gonna show you guys how they look like once they go bad. This will twist. Okay, so you're probably gonna have to twist it and then just remove it. You see it has these tabs right here, and you'll see down there that these tabs they go in there and they go inside that tab and it twists until there. Okay, you guys want to keep that in mind. You will have to twist it and then pull it out. Don't yank it because you'll break it. Okay, once you're out, once you get this out, you'll just examine everything and make sure these wires are okay. A lot of the times these wires will break. As you can see, this one it's already time to change this, which I will replace this and fix this up. I'm gonna cut this and make it look better and use actual wire nuts or wire connectors for cars. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. These light bulbs, they heat up too much and they will melt the insulation on the wire. So this is why I recommend changing to LED light bulbs. Okay, let me get this out. One hand, it's a little bit hard with one hand. Let's see. All right, my friends, I was able to lift up this tab right there and it will just come right out. Okay, so as you can see, let's see if you, okay, there it is. See, the filament, it's broken. Okay, so that's why you'll see if the headlamp is burned. Okay, and if we compare to the new one, it's in one piece. Yeah, it's all attached. So this is what you guys need to look for when you do this. Now I am gonna go ahead and fix this. This doesn't look really good, so I want to make sure I don't have any wire exposed. Okay, next step, guys, would be to put your new light bulb into place. So it's gonna be very simple. You just grab the pigtail here and you just install the new light bulb. Let me see if I can actually do it with one hand, like this, like that. Okay, and then you guys will put this light bulb just like that, and you will twist it so it goes in and then you twist it. Okay, there we go. Once you install the light bulb, you put this cover just like that. Alright, guys, And then next thing you do, you would install the Airbox back into the car. And don't forget to hook up these air tubes here, and plug in this MAF sensor again. Make sure this is tight, and don't forget to install these pins again. And again, if you guys lose this, I will leave the link on the description with all these parts that you guys can get. Okay, and also I will leave the link with the LED light bulbs. If you guys switch to LED bulbs, this won't get as hot, and you will save your wires in the future. So again, thank you for watching again, and if you guys find this helpful, please smash the like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.